Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 16th of February 2015. Just before we look at Friday's trading session, just to remind you that on Monday, the 16th of February, the US markets will be closed in observation of the President Day celebrations. So there will be no official trading of the Dow Jones from 2:30 to 9 p.m, the afternoon session we normally have. But of course, with ETX and all of these global markets now, they trade 24 hours a day. So there will be electronic activity, but you won't see, as far as I'm aware, a change in the 3-point spread from 2:30 to 9 p.m. And of course, the volumes are going to be light as well. So just keep that in mind. And let's have a look at Friday's session, see what actually happened. You can see the market opening at 2:30, the normal time. It was fairly quiet beforehand. We see a bit of a sell-off from the 2:30 kickoff there, and we see prices moving down from the 18,000, trading down towards the 18,950 area, but failing to get that low, and then just oscillating between this, very not too volatile, but there's certainly some indecision until eventually the market moves higher and then trades up and heads towards the high of 18,036, and that's as high as it got during the session. You can see the market coming back there, failing to trade higher, and if you applied a 76% retracement of this from the high down to the low, you can see the market failing to close above the 76%. This is a way of gauging the market's momentum, something I am working on at the moment in additional training videos, just to show you how you can measure the market's momentum once it stops, pulls back, and then attempts to move higher again. And if the market fails to close above this 76%, it's very unlikely it's going to close above the recent high and then head south, which it does in this case, and we see prices there trading down to the 18,000 number there. We get a triple X signal there, and just get the markup. You see the market finding supports at the 18,000, but then eventually breaking and the market moving sharply lower, offering around 36 points in total profit as the market traded down towards the 17,950 level there. Before finding support, we see the market being tested here. And if you look at this activity in detail, you can see how the market came off the lows in the bar before the blue test bar there. See prices coming off the low, then we've got the test bar, the volume's even higher, and then again a third one. So you've got three warnings here that this market doesn't want to go lower. We then see the market finding support, turning around, and then trading all the way back above the 18,000 and finishing on Friday at the 18,021 level there. In the daily chart, you can see prices there moving slightly higher. Very narrow range for Friday. I mean, the volatility just seems to have evaporated in this market, considering how volatile it was in January. And this is a good thing. This is what we want to see. We don't want a repeat of the January activity too soon, because it was very volatile, with some price bars being 150 points. That's not what we want. We want nice and steady, as we saw on Friday there. Nice, easy 36 points, all in one direction. Nice and steady trading there. So the market heading back to 18,105, that I have no doubts about. So that's exactly where this market's heading. And this is confirmed in the implied volatility as well. 12.10 for Friday. You can see the implied volatility dropping off a cliff for Friday last there. No economic news, of course, because it's President's Day, as I said at the outset, so we don't need to be concerned about economic news. Okay, so that's it for this edition of the Market Alert. Keep in mind that the electronic session will be trading tomorrow, but the 2:30 to 9 p.m. session, the main session, is closed in observation of the President's Day holiday. I will see you on Wednesday. In the meantime, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the